Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Horizon. Today we're diving into the details of BingX's bonus system. If you're looking to understand how these bonuses work and how to maximize them, then this video is for you. Make sure to stick around till the end to get all the details and use the referral code CHUCHU to start earning on BingX. So what exactly are BingX bonuses? Understanding the bonus system is crucial for maximizing your earnings on the platform. BingX offers various types of bonuses, including those tied to standard contract trading, task-based rewards for new users, and referral bonuses. Let's break these down. First up, let's talk about standard contract bonuses. 1. Standard contract bonuses. BingX provides bonuses specifically for standard contract trading. These bonuses can be directly used for trading and sometimes even for loss deductions, making them quite valuable. 2. Using the bonuses. To use these bonuses, simply apply them during your trading activities. It's important to note the conditions, such as the maximum leverage limit that applies when using bonuses. For example, if you receive a $10 bonus, you can use it in your trading contracts, and any profits generated from these trades are yours to keep. Next, let's look at the task-based rewards designed for new users. 1. Task-based reward system. BingX offers a task-based reward system to encourage new users to engage with the platform. After registering, new users can earn bonuses by completing specific tasks such as KYC verification, making deposits, and conducting trades. 2. Earning rewards. The bonuses are awarded once you complete the designated tasks. For example, completing your KYC verification might earn you a FUM bonus, while making your first deposit could earn you an additional $10. Here's how you can do it. Register on BingX. Sign up using your email or phone number. Complete a KYC verification. Verify your identity to unlock the first bonus. Make your first deposit. Deposit funds into your BingX account to earn another bonus. Start trading. Conduct your first trade to receive additional rewards. BingX also offers a generous referral program. 1. Referral program. By inviting others to join BingX, you can earn bonuses based on their trading activity. This is a great way to generate passive income. 2. Earning referral bonuses. Share your referral code CHUCHU with friends and family. When they sign up and start trading, you earn a portion of the trading fees as a bonus. Here's how you can maximize your referrals. Share your code. Use social media, forums, and direct messages to share your referral code. Incentivize referrals. Offer tips and advice to help your referrals start trading, increasing their activity and your bonuses. BingX has a VIP program that enhances your bonus earnings. 1. VIP levels. The more you trade, the higher your VIP level. Higher levels offer increased bonus percentages and lower trading fees. 2. Bonus enhancements. As you move up the VIP tiers, your bonuses from standard contract trading, task-based rewards, and referrals increase. This incentivizes active trading and holding larger balances on BingX. Here's a quick look at how it works. VIP 1 requires a minimum 30-day trading volume of 10,000 USDT or asset balance of 500 USDT. VIP 2 requires a minimum 30-day trading volume of 50,000 USDT or asset balance of 2,500 USDT. VIP 3 requires a minimum 30-day trading volume of 100,000 USDT or asset balance of 5,000 USDT. BingX offers other bonus programs to enhance your earnings. 1. Trading competitions. Participate in trading competitions for a chance to win bonuses and other prizes. 2. Promotional offers. BingX frequently runs promotions that offer additional bonuses for trading specific cryptocurrencies or participating in special events. Here are some tips to help you maximize your bonuses on BingX. 1. Hold regular trading activities. The more you trade, the higher your potential bonuses. Regular trading can also help you climb the VIP tiers. 2. Complete all tasks. Make sure to complete all the tasks available to new users to earn the maximum rewards. 3. Refer more friends. The referral program is a great way to earn passive bonuses. Share your referral code CHUCHU widely to maximize your earnings. 4. Participate in promotions. Keep an eye out for promotional offers and trading competitions that can boost your bonus earnings. To sum up, understanding BingX's bonus system can help you maximize your earnings effectively. Don't forget to use the referral code CHUCHU to get started with BingX and enjoy exclusive benefits. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more crypto tips and updates. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to BingX, sign up using the referral code CHUCHU, and start earning your bonuses today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.